So what is up YouTube? Welcome back to Fantastic Trading. In today's video, I've got a really good 5 minute scalping strategy for you guys. So back when I started trading myself, I was really confused about when to enter the trade, what should be my stop loss, and when to exit the trade. So this strategy personally has helped me a lot. So I hope you guys watch the video till the end. If you guys enjoy the video and find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Finastic Trading. So let's not waste any more time and get straight into the video. So for this strategy, we are going to use three things. I'll just write it down. So first thing we are going to use is price action. Always remember guys, price action is the leader. Nothing can beat price action. So what in price action? We can use support, resistance. We can use trend lines and some patterns as well. The second thing which we are going to use is EMA. So we are going to be using three EMAs, 5, 8 and 13. So third thing we need is special candles. If you guys don't know what special candles are, I'll explain it during the video. But if you still want further clarification for the candles, you guys can watch our videos about bullish special candles and bearish special candles. I'll leave the link in the description box. So what we are going to do is open 5 minute charts. This is gold's 5 minute charts. Go to indicators, search for EMA, moving average exponential. Click on it. You'll get one EMA. We need three EMAs. 1, 2, 3. Now what you are going to do is go to settings, go to input. The first EMA has to be 5. Go to style, let it be blue in color. Go to the second EMA, settings. The length of second one is 8. I'll let the color be red, or let it be green. And the third one should be 13. I'll color it red. And there you go guys. This is all you need. This is all we need for the strategy. So I'll give you a basic idea of how we are going to use the strategy. So for bullish entries, for long entries, what we are going to look for is this pattern right here. The 5 EMA, the blue one at the top, the green 8 EMA in the between, and 13 EMA at the bottom. So this is what we are looking for to enter the trade for long trades. And for short trades, we are looking for exact opposite. The blue one, the 5 EMA at the bottom, the green in the middle, and the red, which is 13 at the top. So this is how we are going to use this strategy. Let us go and find some examples of this strategy and see how it actually works and how to place a stop loss. So what I can see here is a consolidation zone. So this is the resistance and this is the support. Price is right between this zone. So as I said, rule number 1 is price action. So what happened here is the zone got broken on the upside. It was broken by a really good candle. This is the special candle I was talking about. This candle is called as power candle, which is extremely bullish. Again, right after the power candle, first the zone got broken, now the power candle, and again this candle is called as lower price rejection candle, LPR. What happened here is The price went back down, but here buying pressure started, price came back up. So this is also extremely bullish candle. So we have the special candle, we have price action, and the third one was the pattern. So as you can see here, we have the bullish pattern over here. So here you can go long. So initially I like to place my stop loss right below the candle, and we keep we keep on holding the trade till a candle closes right below the 13 EMA, which is the red one. So we kept holding on to the trade till this point. This is where we exit as soon as it closes below the red line, the 13 EMA, we exit the trade. So look at the risk reward ratio, guys, 3.31. Initially this is the stop loss, but you keep trailing the stop loss. As soon as the price closes below the red line, we exit. In this case it closed over here, sorry, over here. This is where you exit. You could have exited before, right over here, as you can see a evening star pattern. But even if you go according to strategy, you get a really good risk reward ratio. Or you can just ask for 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4 or more and get out of the trade. So this one was a good example right here. So again, what I can see here, this was a resistance initially. As soon as the price got broken, the resistance got broken, we got a good upward rally, and now it came back here. Let me just mark it. Now the zone which was resistance initially has become a support for us. Remember guys, price action always comes first. So as you can see here, there was a good power candle. Again, power candles. So during this candle, the pattern was formed. We had good power candles, good bullish candles, and also price action. So this was again a good entry. We could have entered here. Our stop loss will be right below the candle. It could be here, and we keep riding the trade till the candle closes below the red EMA, which is 13 EMA. So we keep holding on to the trade till this level. So look at the risk reward, guys. It is 5.5, almost 5.5. And also we always keep on trailing the stop loss. So as soon if the candle closed below 13 EMA right here, we exit the trade. That is how it works, guys. So in this trade we got a really good target, and this is where you have to exit, or you can exit on top, but according to strategy you have to exit over here, because you never know how up the price will go. So this is one good example, guys. So let us try to find some more example. Let's try to find a bearish entry. um I don't see any entries over here. Yeah, look at this, a good downtrend is going on over here. This is a good support here over here. Now look at this, guys, price action is the leader. As soon as the zone got broken, it went back for a retest, and there you go, there is the power candle. Initial, the first step is price action, lower lows, lower highs. The support got broken. There is a power candle. Again, you can see the pattern over here, the blue at the bottom. Look here, guys. The blue has to be at the bottom, 5 am at the bottom, 8 green, which is in the middle, red at the top. It is completely opposite to the bullish entries. So this is where you enter the trade. You go short, stop loss right above the candle, or it could be above the zone. This was a good support, now it is the resistance, so you could keep it just above the zone. Now you ride the trade till the candle closes above the red, which is 13 EMA. So this is where the price closed above the EMA. So there you go, guys. It was still a good trade. You got a 2.5 risk, 2.66 actually, a good risk reward ratio. So yeah, this was a good example as well. I've changed the chart to GBPUSD. It is 5 minutes GBPUSD chart. Previously we were checking it on gold's chart. Let's see how it works on GBPUSD. So right here, as you can see, there is a small trend line. Now here the trend line got broken. It retested. It gave a good power candle. It kept going up, and here, this is where you enter as soon as you see the pattern. So you go long after this candle. As soon as the pattern is clear, stop loss has to be just below the candle. Let's say this much. And now the candle didn't close below the 13 EMA, so we keep holding it. It closed over here, so this is where we exit. The risk reward ratio is really good again, 4:7. So this was one good example again. Price action has to be the leader. Second is the pattern. Third is the candles. Let's go find some more examples. I've already marked some examples for you guys. So over here, as you can see, there is a symmetrical triangle. The triangle got broken with the huge candle, but we always wait for the retest, and there was no entry at this point as the moment was already gone. So we wait for the retest, we wait for the pullback, and now there is a good pullback. There is a good power candle. This candle engulfed the previous candle. Now we just wait for the pattern. So right after this candle, the pattern was seen right in this candle actually. So we go short here. Stop loss will be right here. Above the 3 EMAs or the candle. And we keep holding the trade till this point as the 13 EMA got broken and the price closed above it. We exit over here. Again, a 4.65 risk reward ratio, guys. Again, a good trade. There was one more trade which I saw over here, which is this one. The price was getting resisted from this point, so I marked it, marked the zone. I was waiting for the price to hit the point again. So as soon as it hit the zone, here you can see is the evening star pattern. So again, guys, price action always comes first. The evening star pattern, we are waiting for the pattern to be formed, the EMA pattern to be formed. So right here, actually right here, you can see the pattern clearly. So this is where you enter the trade. Stop loss above the candle, above the EMAs. We keep riding till the candle closes above 13 EMA. So this is our target. This is where we exit. So again, almost a 1:4 risk reward ratio, which is really good, guys. So that was it for today, guys. This was our 5-minute scalping strategy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also you can follow us on Instagram. We always post good quality content to help you improve your trading. And about the special candles, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. There are two videos. One is about bullish special candles, one about bearish special candles. You guys can go watch those videos. So yeah, see you guys later.